I typed a description of my dream home into an AI. 30 seconds later, it gave me a floor plan, a materials list, and a build estimate. Here's how accurate it actually was. Artificial intelligence is not coming for the architecture industry. It is already inside it. We ran an experiment. We used 3 different AI design platforms, Mackit, Architectures, and a custom GPT, for workflow, and fed each one the same brief. A 2-bedroom off-grid prefab home, 650 square feet, passive solar orientation, under $95,000 to build. In under 2 minutes, each platform returned floor plans, elevation renders, window placement optimized for thermal performance, and preliminary material takeoffs. We then sent those outputs to 2 licensed architects and asked them to grade the work. Their verdict: the spatial logic was surprisingly sound. Room adjacencies, circulation flow, structural load paths, all reasonable starting points. The AI wasn't designing finished buildings, but it was producing 80% of the conceptual groundwork that would normally take a draft or 2 days. The limitations were real. Local code compliance was inconsistent. Material specifications were generic. Site-specific constraints, slope, soil type, orientation, required human input to integrate properly. But here's the shift that matters. AI is compressing the design iteration cycle from weeks to hours. A homeowner can now explore 20 layout variations before their first meeting with an architect, arriving informed instead of blank. For prefab construction specifically, this is transformative. Because prefab already works from standardized modules, AI can optimize configurations faster and with more precision than manual drafting. The future of home design is a collaboration between human expertise and machine speed. And that future is already being built. If you want to see how this applies to your own project, go to drovus.world. Their design team is working at exactly this intersection. drovus.world.